This will be the elevator at JCPenney at the Florida Mall in Orlando. Innovation call button. I don't exactly remember when they put these call buttons in, but the elevator itself is an original Westinghouse from 1986. And here it is. Just keep talking because there's music. Original Westinghouse interlock. Here's your cab view. Not too bad. Go down to 1. There's your certificate and your phone. The bell doesn't work anymore. The bell was working again for a minute, but now it's not. Door close doesn't work. All right, here we go. 2. Epco circle line buttons. Love Westinghouse AE elevators. Still got the Westinghouse brails, indicators dead. The motor on the way up sounded like the Pennies in Parma, despite that was a Montgomery and this is a Westinghouse. We'll go ahead and wrap it up down here. And here's your call button. There it goes. And that'll be it.